Trim range function, to put it in plain words, remove excess values. But if you have older version of Excel, you are simply out of luck, as trim range function is not available in your version of Excel. Let me show you how you can get around it. The first thing you're going to have to do is to press Alternate F11 on your keyboard, which is going to launch your VBA editor. After that, on the left hand side, you can expand modules here. Right click on modules, insert modules, and after that, paste this VBA function. One thing I like to point out here is that this function right now has been configured to handle 1000 rows. If you like 2000, just put 2000 here and you'll handle 2000 rows. But if you want to be able to handle a complete rows, the full rows on Excel, which is 1,048,576 of them, all you have to do is to change this here, put a comment here and remove this comment, and it will do the full range of rows in Excel. For this demonstration, I'm going to leave it to 1000 so that it speeds up faster. After that, go ahead and save your VBA. If you'd like a copy of this VBA function, please leave a request on the comment section and I'll show you how you can get it. After saving, you can close or minimize your VBA editor. Now, let's test the function here. I'm going to copy this and paste it here, and instead of trim range, which is Excel's function, I'm going to use my own function here like this and hit enter. You see, you can produce the same results. Now let's test with another different data set, which is in the middle of the cell in G6 and 5. You're going to use the unique function here, and then we're going to say Excel's trim range, and then we're going to say the whole column of G like this. And you can see trim range handles pretty well here. Let's use our trim range here, which is going to be signet at the end, and hit enter, and it produces the same results. Let's see how she behaves as we enter more space in between. Maybe call it pen ruler. You can see that the Excel's trim range and unique functions start to show some holes in the ruler. But if you have a gap of maybe 2 of them in there, if I do clock here, you can see our trim range works better, much better in fact, than the Excel's trim range. Food for thought here, if you're wondering why there's only one entry while you have 2 blank entry here, it's because we are running it through unique function, and this in the URL of unique consolidates into 1. I hope Microsoft will improve their trim range function so that it becomes a better function for everyone in the community to use.